Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening mga kasama. Kaji po at your service. Welcome back to my channel again. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong videos ko. Nag-upload tayo ng educational at pang-entertainment na video. Okay, our topic for today is how to make a design of the PCB using masking tape, or we commonly call this process PCB etching. So actually, PCB etching is a process of removing the copper of the PCB to reveal the exact design of the circuit within the PCB. But before that, allow me to introduce first the materials to be used in this project. Of course, our main material is the PCB. Then we're gonna use also the design of the circuit. So in this case, we will just use a very simple circuit, which is the power supply. Then sandpaper for cleaning of the PCB. We are also going to use cutter knife. Then of course scissor or gunting. Of course carbon paper. And lastly, the masking tape. Okay, the first process is to make sure that the PCB or the surface of the PCB is clean. So we will be using the sandpaper. Okay, then after that, we will be covering all the surface of the PCB with a masking tape. Then after covering it with the masking tape, we cover this one with the carbon paper. Then after wrapping the PCB with the carbon paper, we will be wrapping the PCB with the design of the circuit, and we will do it like this. Then make sure that we will be folding this one in a very precise manner. So ang susunod natin gagawin is to make sure to draw the design of the circuit by using a ball pen. Then after drawing the design, you can now remove the drawing diagram. And kailangan mo ring tanggalin yung carbon paper. So, we do have the design already. Okay, the next process is to cut the design using cutter. So ito yung pinaka last process. We will be dipping the PCB with the design using ferric chloride. So I forgot to introduce the most important material of the process. So this is the ferric chloride. We will be dipping the PCB with the ferric chloride. Then of course we will be shaking the PCB. Then eventually the process, or eventually the copper will be removed. So after a couple of minutes of shaking the PCB with the ferric chloride, the copper will be removed. So I think this is okay already. So we will now remove the PCB, and we need to make sure that we will clean this one with handkerchief or anything that you can wipe. Then next process, we will be removing the tape. That is why it is being called PCB etching. So this process involves the use of the masking tape. Then we can now clean the surface of the PCB using sandpaper. Okay, this is now the final output of the PCB design using the masking tape.